desert where no names remain. He wrote them back in silver flame. Not to be loud, not to be praised, but to light the sky for those erased. One cup of tea, one empty chair, a fork engraved, a breath of care. No price, no ticket, just a time to launch a truth and draw no line. You don't have to be whole to board, no need for answers, just open doors. Quiet departures, small returns, love in the places where memory burns. A firework hush, a whisper sky. We remember, we don't need to try. Henry built it name by name, with a trembling hand and no one to blame. Hilgen watched with quiet eyes, stirred the tea while the stars replied. Scarred hands, a second bolt dropped. He caught it gently, said, "You can stop." Trying to hold what never held. Just breathe, just build, just be compelled. You don't have to be whole to board, no perfect tale, no polished chord. Quiet departures, small returns, a cradle of names the old world spurned. We sail from ashes, not from war. This time the windows open more. Folded blankets, mint and dust, soft-spoken vows, gentle trust. One sign on the hole, one name on the door. Hilgen was here and we'll keep him once more. No captain, no sermon, no final refrain, just the kind of goodbye that stays in the grave. They came with sandals, they came with scars. They came with maps that had no stars. And no one asked what broke them down. The ship just hummed and took them now. Fireworks whispered, names took flight. The desert glowed with borrowed light. The hull remembered, the silence sang, and ghosts turned back into people again. You don't have to be whole to board, we sail with fragments no one ignored. Quiet departures, small returns, and all the things the old world spurned. This is your seat, this is your name. We'll leave the door wide just the same. No anthem loud, no flags unfurled, just a ship and a love and a world.